This timeless home in Muirfield is on over 1.7 acres. It's stunning with wooded views. Let's take a look. Great entertaining space on the main level. These beautiful custom hardwoods, dining room, great room with fireplace, and the primary suite is on the main. This entertaining kitchen with island has stone, a breakfast room, and it steps out to the patio that's covered. There are 3 more bedrooms up and more bath space. Plus, one of the bedrooms has a built-in desk area. The entertaining continues down below. You've got an entertainment system, new flooring. It segues into a room with coffered ceiling, wet bar, and a potential recreation space. This landscaping is fantastic, and you're gonna love this hardscaping they did with the gas fire pit. Thanks for touring this stunning house on St. Patrick's Court in Muirfield. We're on Bloomington's north side near the Northside Horse Farms, and I'm Jeff Franklin, jeffsells.com at FC Tucker Realtors.